Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey hi, my name is Kemana. Welcome to my channel. So on today's video, I wanted to create a look for you guys using the Athena palette that I got from Shop Hash a couple of videos back. So this is the palette we're going to be using to create this look today. This is the Athena palette that I got from Shop Hash. So before we get right into the video, let me talk about the palette really quick. So like I said, this is supposed to be a dupe for the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Now that one retails, if I'm not wrong, for $65. This one is $12. It's really sturdy, it's really pretty. It feels like a good quality palette, if you know what I mean. And if you open the palette, it comes with a big mirror that I don't want to blind you with, but that's a mirror. And here are the colors. They are all so pretty. By the way, this is not a paid video. You know, I got this with my own money. You know what I'm saying? With my own money. Before we get right into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I would really appreciate that very much. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave any comment, any questions down below. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with that tutorial. Mwah. Okay, so to start on this look, I'm gonna prime my eyelids, and for that I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the number 10. And then I'm gonna set that with powder. I'm going to use my NYX powder. Okay, now we're gonna go in with this color right here. It's called Velour. Right here, and we are going to run that on our crease really lightly, and that is going to be our transition shade. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna go in with Lordy. Okay, now that we have something like this, I'm going to go in with a little more of a dense brush, and I'm going to use this color right here called Power. Right here, and I'm going to focus that mostly on the outer V to darken that area a little bit more. I'm going to go in with the same fluffy brush. Now with a pencil brush, I'm gonna go in with this color here called Clever. It's a dark chocolate brown, and I'm just going to draw in like a little V and just make that outer V a little darker. Now I'm gonna go in with my finger because I feel like these eyeshadows are more pigmented and they show better when you use your finger. So I'm gonna use Medusa from the Athena palette. I'm gonna go in with the same brush that we used for the power color, and slightly I'm gonna blend in the edges just so it blends nicely into the other shade. Now I think I'm gonna wet this brush. I want to more shine. I want to see how vibrant that color can be. With the same color Medusa, so we use in the middle. And see how pigmented this is with the brush, with the wet brush.
Well, Nora thought she saw a ghost, but
that is a funny thing.
Let me go ahead and zoom you out so we can finish with the rest of the face. Okay, now for my foundation. For my foundation, I'm going to use my Maybelline 24-hour. I'm going to blend that with my foundation brush from after I lost Now that I have my base down, I'm going to go ahead and cream contour with my Jordana Sculpting and Glow stick. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight and contour, so I'm going to use two concealers. I'm gonna use my NYX HD Studio. Brighten my under eyes a little bit. I'm gonna use my Maybelline H Rewind. I love this thing so much. I'm gonna blend that in with my fingers.
What the door is locked. There's no way out. No way out. No way out.
Now I'm going to set my cream products. This is my Neutrogena powder foundation. Right now I'm gonna set my under eye, and I'm gonna use my NYX banana finishing powder. Now I'm going to contour, powder contour really lightly, just to give a little bit more definition to my face. I'm using my Smashbox contouring duo thingy. Now I'm going to zoom you in really quick so we can finish that up rest of that. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Lordy. Now with the same pencil brush, I'm gonna go in with Power.
Well, Nora thought she saw a ghost, but
That isn't funny, Frederick.
Now with the brown pencil, I'm going to tightline my upper and lower lash line, and for that I'm using my Urban Decay 24-hour Glide On eye pencil in the color Demolition. Now with this same little detail brush we used, I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. For that I'm going to use this color called Common. Okay, so now that I have my lashes and my liner on, I'm going to finish with the rest of my face. I am going to add a little bit more of the rosehip bronzer because I just love that glow, you know? For blush, I'm gonna go in with my Urbana by Benefit. I am going to go ahead and highlight my face, and for that I'm going to use the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. Okay, now for my lips, I'm going to line my lips with this NYX lip liner in the color Natural. Red blonde, and this is in the color Pink in the Afternoon, number 415. And on top of that, I'm going to go with my Huda Metallic Lip Gloss and Angelic.